Nigeria is 63 today, so I want to use this opportunity to congratulate all Nigerians, particularly in Borno State, and take advantage of this day to extend our widow's might to our fellow women, who defied all odds to stand tall and bright, to share our ideals of women emancipation and empowerment through good governance at all levels. It gladdens my heart and encourages my soul to do more whenever and wherever I see women coming together to make their lives or that of their fellow women either through politics or organizational means for the better. Today's event is by no means different from appreciating you for your efforts, solidarity, support, and unwavering loyalty to this government and our great party. The important role women play in not just the entrenchment of democracy, but even in ensuring that functional and humanly beneficial democratic system and structure are put in place for all and devoid of all sentiment and discriminations cannot be overemphasized. As government, the Zulum-led administration in Borno has recognized and appreciated the role women play in all spheres of human endeavor and will continue to support and give women the desired opportunity and support to excel in their chosen career, and this program is one of such as contained in the Borno State 25-year development program. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to make this clear today. We are supporting 500 women stakeholders who are eager to scale up the capital base of their respective businesses across the state, and each beneficiary will get the sum of 100,000 naira and a bag of rice. I would like to urge those who could not benefit from this program to be patient and remain supportive, as they will be considered during the next phase, as this program will continue throughout the period of this administration, inshallah. For our beneficiaries, my advice, as usual, is use this money for the purpose intended and get the benefit expected of it, and also support others as well. This is the true sense of humanity. This address will not be complete without appreciating those who worked day and night to screen these beneficiaries out of nearly 2 million women across the state who are equally qualified to be part of the beneficiaries, but they use their skills and experience to get the most deserving for this program. Finally, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to the entire people of Borno State for their understanding and support to this administration, and solicit for their continued prayers for peace to our elders and to Borno State at large.
I really appreciate what Professor Babagana Umara Zulum's wife has done for us, Dr. Falmata Umara Zulum, and our women leader Hajia Fatika Minna. And I'm going to thank His Excellency for Babagana Umara Zulum for coming into aid of women in Borno State by empowering them with 100,000 naira token, and each and everybody is going to benefit with a bag of rice. 500 women have benefited onto this program.
Distribution of 1 sack of rice each to every woman. 500 women receive 1 sack of rice each today with 100,000 naira, which is something very elating. People are very happy about it, and we appreciate our executive governor, the governor of the people, His Excellency Professor Babagana Umara Zulum, for having women in heart. And we appreciate his wife, Dr. Falmata Babagana Umara Zulum, for her motherly feeling of women must enjoy this palliative of a thing.
Ya ba mu 100,000 a wannan situation da muna ciki, a cikin wahala da shinkafa buhu. Allah Ubangiji ya bar shi, ya kare shi da matan shi da zuriyarsa duka. APC sak daga sama har kasa, daga kasa har sama.
We have just witnessed palliative distribution by the First Lady of Borno State, and it is hitch-free, very successful. You could see women in mass coming out. They have collected their money, 100,000 each, and now they're outside here. You can see by yourself they are collecting their bags of rice, and honestly, we really appreciate the government's effort, giving palliatives to the needy, giving palliatives to women, folk, and honestly, if this will continue, I'm pretty sure it will go a long way in alleviating the suffering of the common man.
Every day is palliative day, and we give 50 kilograms of rice with 100,000 to help the women continue with the kind of businesses they are doing. And for those that do not need too much capital, 100,000 is enough for them to start. Having supported the campaign procedure, and it didn't limit it to only APC women. Every woman that is vulnerable, every woman that has indicated some part of activism in politics, whether it is APC, NNPP, PDP or whatever, this is gesture from the wife of the governor on the instruction of His Excellency, the governor. We are marking 63 years of independence, and giving palliative is one of the indicators of this administration.
Each woman is expected to go with 50 kg bag of rice and 100,000 naira cash to assist them as a palliative to empower them. This 100,000 naira, if put into good use, believe me, some of the women may be a stepping stone for them to rise up. So in His Excellency effort to ensure that we attack poverty through all corners, this time around we are attacking poverty through the angle of the women folk. That is what we are doing.